everyone. From your Canvas gradebook, you can send messages to specific students. I'm going to show you how to use the Message Students Who feature in your Canvas gradebook. First, you're going to go ahead and click on Grades from your course navigation. This will open up your gradebook. And then you're going to hover over one of your assignments. And when you do, you'll see these three dots. So you're going to click on the three dots and then choose Message Students Who. Your choices are you can message students who haven't submitted the assignment yet, students whose assignments haven't been graded, who scored less than, or who scored more than. So once you have made your choice, for example, I'm going to choose scored less than, and I'll just put in 80 here. And this will show me those students who have scored less than the 80%. The subject line goes in by default. It will be this, but you can change that if you like. And then you can add an optional message here. Okay, so once you've added your message, then you can click Send Message, and it will send that message to just those students who scored less than 80%. Using this feature in Canvas will pinpoint students who need specific messages, and it'll save you time by sending messages in bulk to specific students.